How to add YouTube link on Facebook About section. First, copy the link from YouTube. Open the YouTube. Go to your channel. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Share. Tap on this option Copy Link. Now open the Facebook. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom. Scroll down. Find the section for personal details and tap on the edit icon that you can see right over here. Scroll down. Find the section for links. Tap on this field websites, blogs, portfolios. Now you can add the link. Tap on the field of link. Now paste the link that we copied earlier. You can also enter the link title. Here I'm just going to enter YouTube. Tap on the next icon that you can see at top. Now you can edit the privacy. Tap on the field who can see this. Tap on the audience of your choice and tap on the option Done. Tap on the save option that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. Now the link has been added. You can go back. Refresh the profile. Now whenever somebody visits your profile, they'll be able to see the link in the About section. Like this, you'll be able to add YouTube link on Facebook About section. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.